Hello family, welcome to Monica Monet Collection. I am Monica and I thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. Here are the supplies you would need. I am back with another Dollar Tree organizer. This project is so easy to make. First thing we're going to do is glue our nautical rope around both of our trays. I tried to use the wood glue first, but it didn't work, so I decided to use my glue gun. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like and subscribe to this channel and become a part of this family. If you are already one of my beautiful, great, awesome family members, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I truly, truly thank you for your support. Okay, now after we finish cutting the rope from around the tray, the next thing we're going to do is put our tray together. Next, I am gluing 7 of my wooden cubes on top of one another. Now this glue doesn't dry fast, so the cubes kept sliding a little bit. So what I did was I decided to go ahead on and use my glue gun. While I am stacking these wooden cubes, I would like to share with you guys that I have started reading the book of Psalms, and I would like to share with you Psalms 1 verse 3. And he shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water, that bring forth his fruit in his season. His leaf also shall not wither, and whatsoever he doeth shall prosper. I want to just encourage you guys that through this pandemic, you still can prosper. God is still in control. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is glue my second tray on top of my cubes. Okay family, I am finished. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then you can put whatever you want on it. You can use this organizer for your nail polish, or for your plants, or even your jewelry. Whatever you would like. It is so inexpensive to make. God loves you. You are the apple of his eyes. Remember that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on. Thank you family for watching. You can use